Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the Sounce 3-port 4K HDMI switcher. As you can see, the front of the package is clear plastic through which we can see the product itself. There's nothing important on the back, and that's about it when it comes to the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device, although using the device should be relatively simple. What this product can be used for is, let's take for example a modern TV. As most modern TVs have their HDMI ports on the back, it gets cumbersome and it is a little bit inconvenient. This device can help you out with that. What you need to do is take this HDMI connector and plug it into the back, and you get basically an extension. It also gives you a 3-in-1 functionality, so it just occupies one HDMI port on your TV. Through that same port, you can connect three HDMI sources. Coming to the device itself, we can clearly see that it has a black color theme going for it. The main module right here is a glossy black finish. All the writing on it is in a golden color. Up top, we have the three HDMI ports, and they are marked as in 1, in 2, and in 3. Underneath that, we have the select button to select between the three ports. Every time you press the button, it will toggle between the three ports, and you will know which port it is thanks to these lights right here marked as 1, 2, and 3, correlating to each of the HDMI port. Underneath that, we can see that this product is 4K Ultra HD compatible, and here we have the out cable. The out cable is approximately 20 inches long, and here we have the HDMI port that goes into the back of a television. That's about it when it comes to the unboxing of the Sounce 3-port 4K HDMI switcher. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.